Hello, we're on. Hello, everybody. Welcome to our first installment of the Boss Mom series. We decided to come up with this little shindig where we come to you live once a month. Shindig, you like that? So that we can go through some of our favorite products. And we're not going to go over all of them in one sitting because it gets kind of redundant and boring.
It's too much info.
Yeah.
We need you to suck it and retain it.
Yes. So we're very excited. I actually let Alicia pick the first regimen. And
I did.
Yes. But you've never used this regimen, right?
No, but I want to.
Okay.
For my youngest.
Yes. So this is actually a regimen. Well, okay. So first things first. I'm going to show you the box and then I'll show you the bottles. But this is the regimen that we're going to go over today. Okay, so everything's kind of mirrored on here a little bit, so I have to
We're
make
backwards.
Sure that I'm putting it in the right spot. So sweet. Okay. So this is a Soothe Regimen. It's actually for sensitive skin and like redness, so rosacea, eczema. It's actually for a lot of different things.
Sunburns. Because that's why I picked it, because we're coming into summer.
Yeah. So
And if you're like me, you always forget the sunscreen, and then everybody's like, did you spray your kids? I'm like, oh no, they're fine. And then you get home, and then they're in the bathroom.
this is live video right here.
Go-gurt's open.
Live, all up in here.
Get out, man.
Hey, it's called the Boss Mom series.
And they were born in a barn, and they don't know how to close the door.
Yeah. Okay, and we're drinking one. So
Of course,
that
yes.
helps us tolerate summer. Everybody else
Yes.
being crazy this summer.
I need summer camps. If you know them, put them in the comments, because
West
I
Valley.
need to send my kids somewhere for like at least a couple days, because I am going insane
No joke.
in the membrane.
So funny story, sunburns.
Yeah.
I took my daughter to a like hotel weekend for her 8th grade promotion, right? And I'm like, okay, we're gonna hang out by the pool. It's gonna be fun. I got all sunscreened up. My bathing suit had these little holes right here that I forgot
It was
about.
really cute.
Yeah, but it wasn't cute the next day when I couldn't lay on it. Yeah. So this saved me. This was my saving grace right here. So let me tell you about it. Okay, there's 4 steps to this regimen. And the first one is the gentle cream wash. So we're actually going to try it too.
We're gonna do a live.
We are. We're going to
show
demonstrate this.
all over our face.
And the second one is the sensitive skin treatment. That actually says, Matt, do not remove. It's my husband's. Don't tell
She was telling Matt not to remove it.
him. Yeah, that's it.
That was what it was.
Yeah, I didn't
We didn't
steal
break
it.
the rules.
Nope, I did not steal it
No.
out of his medicine.
Matt,
cabinet.
don't touch this. It's not for you.
I forgot mine up north at the cabin. So I stole his.
Just means you have to go make another trip to the cabin.
I know. I like it. And then this here is the step number 3. It's a moisturizing cream. And then the step 4 is actually the one that you would use in the daytime, not at night. So we're not going to actually use this one, but I want to show it to you anyways. It's a mineralized sunscreen. So all of the regimens that we have through Rodan & Fields, they actually have a sunscreen with them because that is pivotal in your skincare. Like, seriously. And I use this one every single day because it's my favorite. It just goes on really light and it doesn't clog my pores or anything like that. So that one's my favorite.
You don't even have any pores. Seriously.
I wonder why. Just kidding. So we're going to actually try this. And these are my makeup remover wipes. So we're going to remove all of our makeup. Hey, this is real right here.
I know. I'm bringing it. When my eyebrows fall off. You know why?
So this here is our makeup removers. This is nothing fancy. I get these at Sam's Club. You guys can, use whatever works for you, but I like these. So let's remove the makeup. Actually, I need to put my hair up. What is going on right here? Huh. Go for it. You're going to do it too?
We're just going to go for it.
We're going to go for it. We're going to make this happen. I know, right? Right, this hair. All right. I'm using the screen as a mirror.
It's beautiful.
Right? Oh, that's so sexy right there. Okay. All right. So, yeah, we removed the makeup. And this would be nice because then I don't have to wash my face when I get home either.
I like that I did my makeup like right before you came over.
So that you could take it off?
I just should have started, yeah, I should have just, you know, not have worried about it.
Well, and it's kind of funny, so I don't wear foundation anymore, so I don't have to, like, wipe off all the foundation.
Yeah, so hers doesn't look like this.
No, it's just eye makeup, mostly. And then for you guys, I put lipstick on. You're welcome. I will take that off, too. And this hair, though, right? That is sexy stuff right there. All right, lipstick's coming off, too, just because we're going to get this all fresh and clean.
I don't know if my mascara is going to come off.
Really? What mascara do you use?
It's waterproof, and it's pretty resilient.
What kind do you use?
L'Oreal's Voluminous one.
I just got this new one from Ulta.
But I'm working on it.
It's called, like, Bad Girl or Badass Girl.
Oh, I think I've heard that one.
It's,
do you like it?
I do. I really do. Oh, I think I got some of this in my eye.
Like, look, if I pull, it's like barely coming off. It's like takes.
Don't pull on it.
Well, I'm trying to get it off for you.
Well, it won't. It's okay because it won't mess up when we wash our face, right?
That's how you know it works, though, right?
Yeah, that's good
Wet
stuff.
and Wild days, it isn't coming off.
All right.
I can cry pretty because it doesn't come off.
Oh, I like it.
Little Carrie Underwood for you.
Look at Lauren. She says, same. I keep one in my purse, one in my car, and one at home. Seriously, though, I totally get it.
There you go.
So since
that's what I look like.
Real. Okay, so since you've never tried this, you gotta kind of tell people what it feels like.
Oh, you're putting me on the spot.
I totally am. So, oh, I just dropped that on my computer. Still good. All right. So then you just wet your face just a little bit, lather. But actually, none of our creams or soaps or anything lather because that actually irritates your skin. So you're not supposed to have like a foaming wash.
That's an interesting thing I did not know.
Yeah. So you just clean your face so nice. Feels good, right?
Oh yeah.
Feels good, huh?
It's like cooling.
Yeah, it is. It's soothe. It's
soothing.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
You're right.
Okay, so you guys know those commercials where they wash their face like this?
That's how I wash my face. Oh, I don't do that.
But why do you do that?
I do this. You don't do that?
Yeah, that. But you know how like in the commercials will go like, and it's like everywhere? I'm like, oh, who's cleaning that bathroom? Right?
Not me.
Yeah, that's not a thing. Okay. So don't do that. All right.
See, I do that.
Yeah, that's
like that's a little noise with my nose.
I'm
blowing all the bubbles out.
I was looking at you. Okay. So dry that mofo off right there. Yeah, sweet. And then
see, even with that, mascara is not budging.
That's good mascara right there. So this here is the Soothe number 2. This is the one that we actually use for everything. So my son has, both of my sons have eczema, and we use this on them for that when they have breakouts. It's the only thing that helps. I've tried everything else, the oatmeal wash, the bath
That's
stuff.
what I used to do with my kids.
Yeah.
The oatmeal wash. The Aveeno one.
Yeah. I know, I did that too. It didn't help at all. But that's okay. So this is kind of a mess.
I'm excited for this one.
Yeah, so this is, and it kind of has like a, because you don't need a lot. It literally will just a little.
Sorry, Matt.
I know. Oh, so it kind of has like an iridescent glow to it. It's kind of cool. Look at that. Ooh. She leaves a little sparkle wherever she goes. Did you hear about Kate Spade?
I know, but I told you I don't really know. I don't own anything Kate Spade. Sorry, but I feel sorry for society that does.
I know. I do love Kate Spade. Okay. And what I'm going to do after this video, though, is in the comments, I'm going to post pictures of my personal family who have used it, and then some consultants that have also used it and had great success. So, like, I used it on my 6-month-old. He had, like, really bad allergy breakout when he was an ADD baby. Like, and I learned that about that age, 6 months. And so I use this on him, and it's amazing. Feels good.
That feels nice.
I know.
I still like it.
And then this one is a moisturizer. And sometimes, like you, Sometimes you cross reference these. Like, so if a regimen, if you need a little moisture for your regimen, the one that you're using for other skin issues, you can always add in like a moisturizer or something like this too to help with it. So it's like a little lotion. I actually keep one in my purse too for like a hand lotion because I really like it. Oh, look at that. So beautiful. Angelica says hi. Hi, Angelica. Oh, I love that everybody's tuning in. Yeah, so Amanda wants to know what we're drinking. So this
wine, the kind with alcohol in it.
So I'm actually drinking, so we're like yin and yang. I have the white wine and she has
the red girl.
She has the red wine, so.
It's okay, at least yours doesn't stain your teeth.
I like red too sometimes though.
Oh, I feel like a new woman.
Right?
Yeah.
Look at that, glowing.
Soon I'll have no pores like Tiffany.
And then I actually, for a special little treat, I have this for you guys. Oh, it's an add-on product. So it doesn't come in the box with the Soothe, but I use it no matter what regimen I'm using that night. I add the lip renewing
That is my favorite. And I actually had to hide them from my daughter.
Yeah.
Because she wore them like lip gloss.
Yes. Well, and you can.
I know, but she like I use them sparingly.
Yeah.
She just goes for it.
So this lip renewing serum is meant to like basically eliminate lip wrinkles, which I absolutely hate because I feel like that makes you look really old really fast.
Which is good for people like me who chew the side of their face like this.
Do you really?
All the time. That's my like.
You're fine.
That's when you know what I'm thinking is I'm doing this. And my mom goes, "Stop chewing your face."
I like it. That's
so cute. I'm gonna have those.
So the lip renewing serum is cool. So it's a little tiny capsule, and I mean you can get 3-4 uses out of each capsule, which is really nice. So I just kind of put it on my counter and use it for a few nights in a row. But I really like it.
I just need to go on record saying that I've noticed this video. I have not raised the roof once. My sister told me that I raised the roof too many times during.
Did she?
But she's like, Alicia, it was really cute, but you raised the roof a lot. So I just have to tell her. Shout out to Virginia because I didn't raise the roof.
I feel like people like the roof raising.
Really?
I want to raise the roof just for your sister. A tribute to your sister. I feel like we should do it.
It's like my favorite.
Ready? Let's raise it.
We're raising the roof.
All right. For clean skin, right?
Yes. I feel very soothed.
Well, I'm glad that you all joined us. We're going to make this short and sweet. We will be bringing a different regimen to you next month, and I'll be posting it in this beauty group.
Next month we're doing the, which one did we decide on? Because I wanted like a little teaser. Which one was it?
I don't know. Either the,
it was the reverse. Because this one is to help with the sunburn, right? And then at the end of the summer, when you didn't listen and you didn't wear your sunblock and you didn't soothe, you need to reverse all those H spots that you just
the sun damage. Yeah, I do love the reverse.
That's
so
yeah.
That might be
so we're gonna bring it back and reverse it next month.
Right, and actually, you can get this crazy big kit of products right now they're already grossly discounted when you buy like as a consultant, like what we do, and you can get an extra discount right now. So it's kind of big and huge. So message one of us. It's anybody on our team that joins. So we're really excited to offer that to you guys, but it's only till Friday.
Yeah, so you need to jump on it.
Yeah.
And that's Tony.
That kit is amazing. I love the kit.
Yeah.
So.
I know. I wish I had bought the kit. I will. I'm going to.
Yeah. Yeah. All right. Well, thank you guys, and tune in next month for the next series of Boss Moms.
Yes.
Woo, raise the roof.
Thumbs up.
Cheers. Bye, guys. Thank you.
Oh, look, we have 6 people watching us. We're like pros. We're famous.
We are pretty famous. I like that. Cheers.
Good night.
Good night.
Wait, get ready.